Alright, so if you want the latest version of BlueStacks on your PC, yeah, it's actually pretty simple. But you need to download it from the official to avoid fake or outdated files. Let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official BlueStacks website. Now look for the download button for Windows. This will always give you the latest version. Click download, and the setup file will start downloading automatically. Once it's downloaded, open the file to start installation. Click Install Now and wait while it installs the latest version on your system. After installation, click Launch, and it will open the newest version automatically. Now sign in with your Google account so you can access apps and games. If you already had BlueStacks, it will automatically update to the latest version during launch. And yeah, that's how you download the latest version of BlueStacks safely in 2026. Always use the official site so you stay updated and secure.